Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about key details. Key details. Key details are important pieces of information that support the main idea. So we are going to be looking for key details about our main topic. Our topic is butterflies. Aren't they beautiful? I can't wait to learn more about butterflies. Let's go to our passage. Listen as I read, and then I'm going to identify 3 key details about butterflies that we read about. Are you ready to listen? Okay, here we go. Butterflies come in many colors. Butterflies have wings. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies hatch from eggs. When they are young, butterflies are called caterpillars. Butterflies get their food from flowers. Ooh, there was a lot of really good information in this little short passage about butterflies. I'm going to look for my first key detail, and I'm going to circle it. Let's see. Butterflies come in many colors. I don't know about you, but I think that's really interesting to know that not all butterflies are the same color. Let's see. Now I'm going to look for another key detail. Something that's in the text. I can't make it up in my head. It's got to be in this passage. Butterflies have wings. That's important to know, that butterflies and all that color is on their wings. So it's nice to know that's a key detail about what a butterfly looks like. I'm going to look for one more. I know there's many, but I'm only going to circle one more key detail. Down here it says butterflies get their food from flowers. I thought that was a really interesting thing to know where they get their food from. So I identified 3 key details about butterflies. Did you notice that all my details came right from the passage? When you're looking for key details, you want to make sure that you're getting them right from the text, which is also known as the book that you're reading. I hope you had fun learning about key details.